IREN is trending down 6.23%. This is Tuesday, the 20th of January 2026. The stock is equally commanding heightened attention across trading and investing communities, even with this pullback. A move many see as a consolidation rather than weakness, given the company's accelerating transformation into a major AI, cloud, and high performance computing infrastructure provider. The discussion is being driven less by short term price action and more by the scale of the company's strategic pivot away from traditional Bitcoin mining toward a long duration, high margin AI infrastructure. That pivot was forcefully validated by the announcement of a massive power and infrastructure agreement with a prominent global technology customer, a deal that effectively positions the company as a long-term supplier of compute-ready capacity at a time when power availability has become one of the most critical bottlenecks in the AI ecosystem. Investors increasingly see this agreement as proof that the company's assets are not only relevant but scarce, particularly in an environment where hyperscalers and AI labs are racing to secure reliable, low cost power. The sentiment across various communities remains broadly bullish, with growing expectations that additional large scale AI and HPC partnerships could follow. Much of that optimism is anchored around the company's substantial power capacity, vertically integrated data center infrastructure, and cost advantages, which together create a compelling value proposition for AI customers struggling with grid constraints and rising energy prices. Traders and long term investors alike are framing the recent dip as a potential accumulation window ahead of further contract announcements. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, 1.433 million shares have crossed the tape so far in this pre market session. Usual volume is around 37 million shares going by its 50-day average. Okay, on Friday the 16th, it gained 611.43% so far on this daily chart, which hasn't reflected this 6% loss. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may print higher prices going all the way towards the 10th of February. But so far, it doesn't look like that is what is going to happen. It doesn't look like what is going to happen because it can see the stock is clearly down 6.23%. Okay, so here on the 4-hour chart, which is reflecting what is going on right now, though this weakness is expected to remain in place up to Wednesday, the 21st. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. The 40 period moving average on this 4-hour chart is not expected to be um, it's not expected to be affected by this weakness that is going on right now. It's still expected to continue to print higher prices towards the end of this month, January 2026. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have: 54.3, 52.79, 49.63, 46.96. Okay, so let's see what the momentum seems to be suggesting. Let's see what is it is suggesting. Momentum is extrapolating weakness. Um, yeah, more of volatility at least up till the 22nd of January. Then after that, a bounce is expected to begin to play out, and it's validated by the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average. Yeah. Okay. There's also no guarantee that this will be what will happen at all. Okay. What we could do is also have a look at the market grid. There's a chance that we may not have what we want on this 4-hour chart. Yeah, okay. This 4-hour chart is not reflecting what we have, what we need. We want the price to be within its grid. So let's see what the 4-hour chart. Sorry, the daily chart. The daily chart is for some reason quite relevant. The market grid is relevant. You can see the stock is at 54.2. So this grid has is accommodating it. It is at 54.2 is somewhere here in the resistance zone. Okay. But yeah, 54.2 with a downward trajectory. So it's looking down 53.54, 56.52.67. All of these sort of prices are possible. Yeah, let's see whether it has printed an intraday low today. Let's see. No, so far today, let's see. Okay, it's not coming up. Okay, so yeah, low prices are still very much possible. 53.54, very much possible, and indeed all the way down to 48.59. So bottom line is that wait for a pull. This is based on what we have been able to digest based on the data on its daily chart. Okay, so wait for a pullback to 52.5 to $51 for a 3 to 7 day bounce trade, and it has 65% setup probability, and then accumulate if it pulls all the way down to 49.51. Yeah, we can see here it has as low as $49. Yeah, $49 to 51 zone for position targeting. For position targeting $60 plus over 60 to 90 days with a 55% probability. Okay, so yeah, it's a mix of things, but that's what's going on right now. Let's see. It's I don't think it's not it doesn't have enough open interest on its call options. Okay, and as things stand right now, the it's not so liquid as well. You can see the spread between the ask and the bid is not a healthy one, not a healthy one at all. You can see we have a spread of 24 cents, but they are trading the stock that way anyway. Okay, so see what you make of IREN, and thank you very much for watching this video.